world increasingly moves online, so do opportunities to make money. Online tutoring is a great way to make money on the internet while helping others improve their skills. It's a win-win. There are a few things to consider before becoming an online tutor, such as what subjects you're knowledgeable in and what age group you're comfortable teaching. Once you've decided that online tutoring is right for you, check out our video on the subject. In our video, we cover everything you need to know about becoming an online tutor, from setting up your profile to marketing your services. We also give some tips on how to be a successful online tutor. After watching our video, you'll be ready to start making money on online tutoring. So what are you waiting for? Tune in now and learn how to get started. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Number 1. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 is a company that offers affordable, top-rated private tutors in 250+ subjects and test preps. You can do in-person or online tutoring. Tutors on their website typically charge $30, $60 per hour and can earn more based on experience. The company has great customer service, and you can set your own hours, which is great for students who are looking for a more flexible schedule. You also get paid quickly, which is always a plus. However, the downside is that you will pay a 25% commission. Overall, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 is a great company that offers students a chance to get affordable, top-rated private tutoring. If you are looking for a flexible schedule and quick payment, then this is the company for you. Just be aware of the commission you will be paying. Number 2. Preply. Preply is a leading platform in online tutoring that helps people from all over the world achieve their life goals faster. With great support and flexibility, Preply is a great company to work with if you're looking to earn some extra money. However, it's important to be aware that Preply takes a 100% commission fee of your first lesson payment with every new student. For all subsequent lessons, the commission varies from 33% to 18% and depends on the number of completed lesson hours with students. Number 3. Kaplan. Kaplan is one of the world's largest education providers, serving more than 1 million students and thousands of businesses and university partners through higher education, test preparation, professional education, English language training, and university preparation offerings. If you're looking for a tutoring job with great support and training, Kaplan may be a good fit for you. However, keep in mind that work may not always be available, and you may sometimes have to meet your tutor outside of your home. Pay is between $17 $38 per hour, depending on the discipline. Number 4. Tutor. If you're a teacher, professor, adjunct, PhD student, or industry professional looking for a tutoring job, Tutor.com is definitely worth checking out. The application process is straightforward, and if you pass the exam and mock session, you're officially a tutor. Pay is decent, ranging from $10.50 to $14 per hour, but some people have complained that it's on the low end. Overall, though, Tutor.com is a great option for those looking for tutoring jobs that offer the ability to work from home and choose your own hours. Number 5. Tutoring. If you're looking for a great company to work for with a 4.55 star rating on Glassdoor, Tutoring is a great option. The average pay is $16 per hour, which isn't too bad. The process is pretty simple. Fill out an application, select the subjects you feel confident teaching, and then start receiving students. Once you start tutoring, you'll get paid each week. Some pros of working for Tutoring are that the platform is easy to use, the schedule is flexible, and the pay is decent. However, some cons are that the pay could be higher and other tutors think Tutoring should do more marketing to get more students. All in all, Tutoring is a great option for those looking for a tutoring job. Number 6. StudyPool. If you're a new tutor just starting out, you may find the StudyPool site to be a good fit. Rather than being paired up for one-on-one tutoring or class sessions, tutors work with students on individual questions or assignments. This allows for a more low-pressure setting where you can build up some experience. Tutors can select questions, quote a price, and provide a turnaround time. If the student accepts, the tutoring session begins. Rates can be higher than other sites since they are set by the tutors, but the site does take a percentage of earnings. This is something to keep in mind when bidding on questions. Make sure the students are actually seeking a tutor's assistance and not just trying to get someone to do the work for them. Being able to set your own prices and see what rate students are willing to pay is another bonus for tutors. This can help you learn and build your business. Overall, tutoring based on individual questions and assignments may work well as a low-commitment, flexible way to get some experience. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.